headed out for the afternoon hunt. It's about 4:30. We got a nap in, got some grub, got some coffee, and we're ready for a 3-hour sit tonight. These birds have been tough. They're not responding to calling. We actually did have one afternoon gobbler. We got him to come in about 80 yards.
Bunch of deer.
Oh yeah, bunch of deer running. I don't know if you're gonna see that, but 4 of them. Yeah. Anyways, we got that Tom to come into about 80 yards, and he was in the woods still, and he saw the decoy, and he kind of just saw it and turned around and left. So decoys aren't working really, and calling isn't working. So yeah, we're gonna try to get down in the woods tonight further, maybe to like a transition area, and hopefully catch something. Just walking through. I really don't know what else to do. Might try a little bit of soft calling tonight. But yeah, as far as it goes for both me and Jude, we're gonna take jakes if they come in. Almost got a jake last night. They got about 5 feet, 10 feet away, I don't know, something like that, a few yards before they busted us. Yeah, this morning the only thing that, it's funny, the only thing that's came into a decoy was that hen this morning. Heard one lone gobble about a half hour, 45 minutes after that hen, and other than that it's been a quiet day. So enough rambling, and yeah, let's get to the spot. Look at all this turkey scratch. I don't know if you guys can see that, but all over here. I really wish I would have came down here a couple days ago. All right, now to find a spot. Sun's going down over here, so shadows will be coming this way. All right, I'm gonna find a spot for us to sit. All right, I think back there is where we saw the turkey scratch. And last night they must have came through here and then up the other ridge where we were, kind of near the roost. I'm hoping maybe they do that same thing, and maybe from here we'll have more of a shot. Thinking of tucking in here, but I'm not sure. All right, we decided not to go under that old deer stand. I'm gonna try going on either side of this fallen tree. I might have to move some stuff around, but yeah, that's, I think, where we're gonna set up tonight. All settled in. This might be the spot. There's such a good view. If we were down here this morning, I think we might have had a crack at that gobbler. You got it. While my luck continues, I left the decoys up in the field because they haven't been coming in at decoys, so I was hoping they would kind of deter them to this woods here and come through here where they've been coming. Well, we just had 2 birds go through the decoys, and we just had to watch. That really sucks. I really can't figure these guys out. Alright, me and Jude have been doing some thinking, and as much as I'd love to get his first turkey kill on camera, he's got a GoPro on his head, and I think he's gonna go up to the blind where those jakes just walked by, and I'm gonna stay here and we're just gonna cover both spots and just split the difference. Just had a hen turkey behind me. She didn't cluck or nothing, so I don't know. She kind of took off running that way. Not sure if she saw me move or something. I have no clue where she came from. Unfortunately, it's about that time. Getting to the last little bit of legal shooting light. Got like 7 minutes. Just wish we would have been in that blind over there when those 2 nice jakes came through. Could have been tagged out. Anyways, I'm gonna sit a couple more minutes, pack everything up, get back to the trailer.
The end is coming. This is dark and getting darker all the time. Everything we once trusted is turned on us. Government, religion, even technology has become...
Hey, what the hell are you doing? It's not a really good time.
Good morning. It's 5 o'clock. It's an overcast, kind of rainy morning. Not sure what to expect. Yesterday it was a windy, cloudy morning with a little bit of rain like this, and we didn't hear any gobbling. So lucky if we hear gobbling this morning. Gonna get back to the same area me and Jude were last night. Had those 2 jakes come through, saw a hen. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. Hopefully they just roaming through there. That's all I can really hope for. But yeah, we're getting down to the wire here. The camera's not probably picking up. Got goblin back here, goblin over here, goblin way over here, kind of just in the middle of them. I'm set up about 80 yards from Jude. He's up in the blind. And those birds are probably roosted 100, 150 yards away. Hoping we can just pull something over here, because it has not been working to try to get them out of the roost. So I'm gonna be a little more aggressive with my calling and just hope for the best. And I'm not the world's greatest caller. Alright, well, not much is going on over here. It's been quiet for a long time. We did hear gobbles back on the ridge over here this morning. I don't think the camera captured it. They weren't the loudest ones because they're on the opposite side of the ridge. So I'm not sure where those guys went when they got down. I think me and Jude might pack up the decoys, drop them off at the trailer, walk out to that side, and just peek around and see what's going on over there. Might run into one just wandering around. Not sure what to do to get one of these gobblers. I'm all settled in. It's 11:15, and we're gonna be sitting here till 1. Jude's up where he was this morning in the food plot, and I moved those decoys up even a little further up the hill so that if anything comes out down on the other guy's land, maybe we can pull them over here. Jude just texted me here gobbles. So maybe I will chirp off here a bit. It almost sounds like another guy calling over there. I'm gonna call Jude. Does it sound like someone's calling? You hear the... Yeah, I hear the gobbles, but don't you hear the chirp, 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 chirp? Right now, I hear it, right now. Right, Jude just called me. I've been calling to these turkeys that were gobbling way over here, and they got into the clear cut by Jude, and they're coming this way. He says one's a tom. They're heading this way. They're on the trail over here. Looks like they're heading towards Dad. You might get a shot. It's 2 Drakes, or 2 Toms. Just out of shooting range. Turkey hunting is messing with my emotions. Holy cow. 12:15 right now. That all just went down. So we had 2 toms. I mean, Jude saw him 150 yards away up in my field, and I started calling, and then he said they just booked it across the field into the neighbor's woods. And then they pretty much, I mean, it took them, he said, 30 seconds and they got to our trail right here. Anyways, got him in. I mean, at the angle they were taking, there was 2 of them. The one right here was a bunch of brush, and he was probably 30 yards. And the second one, there's a fallen tree in front of me, and he was probably 50 yards. And he was on angling like he was just going to come out right in front of me at 30. But I quit calling, I went silent. And yeah, he locked up. And I'm not sure if I made some sort of extra little movement and he saw me, but he locked up. Didn't want to come any further. I mean, I think maybe if I had a decoy down in here, instead of up in the field, I think he was just looking for the hen. And I mean, he got so close and I was calling still, and then no hen in sight. Yeah, he locked up and they went back into the neighbors. Man, he was just right. I guess let me know in the comments. I guess I want to know your guys' thoughts. Would you have taken that shot? It was about, I mean, if I had to guess, pushing 50 yards with some limbs and a little bit of brush in the way. This is a 10 gauge, and I'm using a 3.5 inch 5-shot. Federal Grand Slams. Let me know if you would have taken that shot. Like I said, I'm new to the game. I've only shot 2 turkeys in my life. I've been hunting 3 years. Guess with all that said, we're gonna sit for probably another hour and 15 minutes. We're gonna hunt till 1:30, go back, relax a little bit, and then we're gonna be back out at like 4:30 and hunt till the end. And hopefully we got a turkey on the ground. All right. Sadly, that's gonna conclude our 2023 spring turkey camp here in Wisconsin. We heard one lone gobble. Made a last-ditch effort to try to find them. Just moved in little increments and called on the way, and never got them to gobble again, which has been the running story this whole trip. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely is not the best turkey video that's on the internet, but you know what? It was our experience this year, and yeah, hopefully next year I get drawn for either the first or the second season. I'll definitely take the 3rd season again. Had a lot more action than I had the 2 years prior to this. Still a newbie at this turkey hunting thing, but I'm getting it. I learned some stuff this year. I took risks. They didn't pay off. Should have just stuck to my plan I had, but tried making moves on turkeys and things like that. As always, if you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button, and you know what? Punch that thumbs up in the face for me, please. Thank you. See you in the next one.